In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the ElevenLabs platform effectively, turning your creative ideas into captivating voice designs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step with ease, ensuring you have the tools to succeed in your audio design journey. First, let's head over to the ElevenLabs homepage. Open up your browser and type in the URL, or simply click on the saved link. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the sleek and user-friendly interface that ElevenLabs has curated to enhance your creative process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding the navigation will make your experience smoother. Now, with the home page in view, it's time to dive into the creative process. Look for the voice design section and click on it. This feature is where you'll be able to create and customize unique voices. The voice design area is designed to cater to artists, programmers, and enthusiasts alike, offering a wide array of tools to aid in your creative aspirations. Once you've entered the voice design section, the next step is to give the system a prompt. This is your opportunity to unleash your imagination and challenge the capabilities of the platform. Click on the Give Prompt button, which will allow you to input whatever quirky, mysterious, or adventurous scenario you have in mind. This prompt is the foundation upon which your voice design will be built, so don't hold back on your creativity. After setting your prompt, you'll want to select a voice type, and in this case, we're going for something a bit more fantastical: the Evil Ogre. Clicking on Evil Ogre will apply a specific audio signature that can bring a dramatic flair to your project. This selection is part of what makes the ElevenLabs platform so unique, providing users with the ability to customize voice tones and characteristics. As you make your selection, take note of how each option might serve different storytelling or project needs. Your choice will shape the final output, turning a simple narrative into an engaging auditory experience. Finally, after going through these steps, don't forget to experiment. The beauty of platforms like ElevenLabs is in their flexibility and the endless possibilities they present. Revisit the options, try out varied prompts, and select different voice types until you achieve the perfect fit for your project. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the ElevenLabs platform, creating vibrant and original voice designs with confidence. Whether it's for professional use or personal enjoyment, this guide serves as a valuable resource to elevate your audio projects to new heights. Stay creative and enjoy the journey through sound.